I did basically is I have 2 pieces of fabric. Now I don't have any specific measurement. I just took 2 pieces of fabric, and you choose your own measurement, how big you want the purse to be. Now with these 2 pieces, you put their right side, both the join their right side, and now you stitch it in the machine or your hand stitch, anything that you have. If you do hand stitch, I ask you to do twice, because that way your bag will be really strong. And if you can do twice, that will be really good. Now after you do that, then you're going to turn it inside out like this. After you do that, see, it came out like this and made it like a pocket. And in this pocket is you're going to insert your cardboard. So you insert your cardboard in the pocket like this. Until the entire cardboard is in, and you see how much you need. Do not cut it before you see, because you don't want a smaller cardboard or a larger cardboard. You just want just right. Okay, so now we have the cardboard inside. Now you see it came up to here. Now you're going to just snap this portion, because you don't need it. So you see, we have a nice structure here. This cardboard gives this fabric a structure, a base. Now what you need to do is you're going to adjust this cardboard to the size, and you fold it here, and you're going to stitch. So make sure though the cardboard goes in nicely, because you don't want any cardboard showing, and you want just right size. So you can fold it here, cut it up if you think it's getting swelled up, and then you do like this and stitch this fabric. You can, here I kept folded. You don't need to keep it folded, you can just cut it. And if you do keep folded, you have to make sure you smooth it out, it's not going to stand up. Okay, like this. Now you're going to stitch this portion. After you stitch this portion, then you fold it like this. You get to your desired length like this, and the top portion comes down like this. And you get to your desired length like this, and the top portion comes down like this. And you see, voila, you have yourself a beautiful clutch. And now what are you going to do with this? You're gonna put here a button, or a snap button, magnetic button, or a velcro. You can glue to velcro over here, and you're going to decorate this entire outside. So that's I'm going to show you how to decorate this. This is I'm doing with the rhinestone. After how we stitch this side, it's very basic. You just take a big needle, and then you have to stitch this side, stitch this side. Once you're done stitching, but I will stitch this one after I decorate it, because once you decorate, you cannot, once you stitch, you cannot decorate. So you have to stitch it after you decorate. After your decoration has dried, you have given it a solid 3 hours to dry, and then you run your fingers, hands, and you see it's all dry. It's not going to get messed up when you work with it. Now I will show you one row, and you can just do the rest of the row just like that. So you use your glitter dimensional fabric paint, which I've been using for all my videos, and then you use the rhinestones. These are little big, so you may not be able to pick them up with this little tool I invented. It will be hard to pick up with the tool. So I'm just gonna drop it on top and then set it like this. So you continue with the entire purse and then let it dry for 3 hours, and then I'm going to show you the side stitching and stitching the handle like this. Now let me do one more row to show you how it is done. There's nothing to it. You just drop your this glitter dimensional fabric paint / glue. I will put the description in the description box what exactly it is. Okay, like this, about 5 or 6 in a row, depending on how big is the cardboard you have and how big is your fabric. And I haven't given any measurements, but I can give the measurements. Okay, I have the other one and I can just measure it and put the measurement in the description box. And the cereal boxes, you know, varies little big, so depending on how big is the cereal box you want to do. So here, this is how you will put the entire length with the rhinestone, and then you can add the beads too, the way I show you in my other video, or I will make the other one with the beads and I can teach you that one. So let me finish this entire section and let it dry for 3 hours, and I will get back to you, finish the rest. I will stitch the sides and the handle, and I'll show you the final product. Hi, so I would like to show you the end, and this is the end product. So this is the clutch I made, and I was doing the decoration. So now the decoration is finished and it's all dried. So this side is made with rhinestone, white rhinestone, this crystal rhinestone, and this side is made with crystal sequins. So these are white sequins, just like crystal sequins, and this side is with rhinestone. And this clutch is made with cereal box. As I shown you, I put the cereal box inside. Now over here you can add some buttons, as I mentioned, or you can add from some snap buttons, or just glue it, but I put hooks. So I have just 2 hooks I added, and inside here you see there's plenty of space to put your lipstick or a comb, a cell phone. So this clutch is inside, has a cereal box clutch. The cereal box cardboard is inside, and the reason for putting the cardboard is made the clutch really nice and sturdy. So over here you see I put 2 hooks, so you can use hooks or buttons. And so this is the final product. And so this is the final product.